In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix error 526 in Cloudflare by checking and updating your SSL settings inside your Namecheap cPanel. Error 526 usually means Cloudflare can't verify a valid SSL certificate on your origin server, so we're going to make sure your certificate is active, valid, and properly installed. First, log into your Namecheap cPanel the way you normally do. Once you're inside cPanel, look for the section called Security. Within that section, find and click on SSL TLS status. This is where you can see the current SSL status for your domains and subdomains connected to your hosting. On the SSL TLS status page, you'll notice a list of domains with small red or green icons next to each one. These icons are important. A green icon means there's a valid SSL certificate installed and recognized. A red icon, or anything that looks like expired or no certificate, means the SSL is either missing or no longer valid, and that can trigger Cloudflare's error 526. If you see a red icon or an expired label next to your domain, the first thing to try is Auto SSL. At the top of the SSL TLS status page, there should be a button labeled Run Auto SSL. Click that. What this does is tell the server to automatically issue or renew a free SSL certificate for all eligible domains on your account. After you click Run Auto SSL, it will start a background process. This is not instant. Give it around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. During this time, avoid making a lot of changes to your DNS or SSL settings because that can interfere with the process. After waiting a bit, refresh the SSL TLS status page and check the icons again. Ideally, those red icons should turn green once the new certificate is installed. Now, if you're using a purchased SSL from Namecheap, such as a positive SSL or a certificate from Sectigo, you need to make sure that specific certificate is correctly installed and not expired. In your cPanel, under the SSL or security sections, look for where your certificates are managed and confirm that your main domain shows an active, valid certificate. If the certificate shows an old date or clearly says it's expired, you'll need to renew or reissue it through your Namecheap account and then reinstall it in cPanel. There's one more important thing to keep in mind for Cloudflare users. If you have a redirect HTTP to HTTPS option turned on inside cPanel, it can sometimes interfere with Auto SSL when Cloudflare is active. This happens because Cloudflare sits in front of your server and can block the verification checks that Auto SSL needs to perform. To get around this, you may need to temporarily pause Cloudflare. Go to your Cloudflare dashboard, select your site, and choose the option to pause or disable Cloudflare for that domain. Once Cloudflare is paused, run Auto SSL again from cPanel and give it those same 5 to 10 minutes to complete. When you see green icons and a valid SSL in cPanel, you can go back to Cloudflare and unpause it. After everything is active and valid on the origin server, refresh your website in the browser. In most cases, error 526 should disappear once Cloudflare detects the working SSL certificate on your hosting.